just for gymnasts or yogis. The world's top athletes, from surfers to runners to basketball players, incorporate these kinds of moves into their training to build more strength and flexibility. Handstands. Few moves build upper body strength and balance, like supporting your weight with just your hands. If you haven't tried a handstand in a while, start with this version. Get into push-up position with the soles of your feet against the wall. Slowly walk your feet upward and your hands toward the wall until you're inverted, holding the handstand. Reverse back to the start, and repeat a few times. Once this feels comfortable, face the wall and pick up into the handstand. Try to take your feet off the wall, and hold your body perfectly straight, toes over hips, hips over shoulders, shoulders over hands. Increase the challenge by shifting your weight from one hand to the other, or by trying to lift one hand off the floor for a second. When you've got this, go for the freestanding version. Stay tight in your core, elbows locked, and push your shoulders up to stabilize your trunk. Don't arch your back or hollow your stomach.